Hi, my name is DeFehr, and I was a long ago employee here at National Hardware. Worked here for approximately 6 years. One of the greatest experiences of my life. Just about everything you can imagine is in this store, and if you are someone who wants to do something, you can just go through the aisles and look at what, and even look up too. Always look up. But if you need to find a spring, a bolt, whatever, as an employee here, and starting out with this being my first job, absolutely amazing because it taught me so much about the tools and the hardware. I learned stuff about cattle working equipment. Gus had a ranch up north of here, and he had cows on that. I got an opportunity to even go out there once and work on a propane generator, which for a young 19-year-old boy, never touching it before, it was a lot of fun to put it together and make it work again and make the lights come on the ranch. Kind of like that with all the customers here. When they come in, they have a problem, they give you a description, and you work on that. You piece that together until you can find a solution for them, and many times it's here. I remember, I don't know if it may still be, I have to go back there and look, but I asked Gus what this item was one time, and it was an element for a toaster. And I was blown away. Even way back then, we weren't fixing toasters. Toasters was something you bought, they broke, you bought another one. But he had in this store a heating element for a toaster that you would replace the heating element to fix the toaster. That's the wonder of this place. The amazing part of this place is it's like a time capsule. And there were so many things just walking around the aisles of this place and working in this place that just was absolutely, truly an honor for me to be a part of for the years that I was here.